IBA Karachi, with 70 years of excellence, stands as one of Pakistan's top institutes, known for producing thought leaders and innovators. With values of discipline, creativity, tolerance, integrity, and teamwork, let's take a closer look at the School of Mathematics and Computer Science, SMCS, and its programs that prepare you for the future. School of Mathematics and Computer Science is a leading school at IBA, where students explore the endless possibilities in mathematics and computing. Our interactive teaching, led by expert faculty in artificial intelligence and both pure and applied mathematics, encourages scientific curiosity, values open questions, and prepares you for future challenges. The Department of Computer Sciences offers comprehensive degrees in computer science at the BS, MS, and PhD levels. Our programs provide a strong foundation in software development, data science, and computing systems, preparing students for diverse careers in technology, research, and academia. With a curriculum that emphasizes programming, data management, and systems analysis, graduates are well equipped for roles in software engineering, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and more. Admissions are now open for graduate and postgraduate programs in the Department of Computer Science at SMCS. So if you're ready to explore a future where math and technology meet, consider the School of Mathematics and Computer Science at IBA Karachi. Apply now, and for more info, please contact us.